DBTIPS, Aganitha's disease biomarker and target insights platform and services. It is an AI-curated platform designed to provide comprehensive dossiers on disease and target biology and related market intelligence. Today's R&D involves a constant, inefficient struggle with fragmented information. Scientists and strategists must manually switch between disparate sources, scientific publications, proprietary databases, clinical trial registries, and market reports. This hunt for information is a tax on innovation. The burden of manual curation consumes countless hours that could be dedicated to discovery, validation, and strategy. Instead of focusing on generating novel insights, your teams are bogged down in the low-value, repetitive work of finding, integrating, and organizing data. When data sits in silos, we risk losing the forest for the trees, creating strategic blind spots. Crucial mechanistic insights stay hidden, emerging knowledge and competitive shifts go unnoticed, and high-stakes research decisions end up resting on incomplete or unverified evidence. Instead of chasing data, what if the most relevant intelligence was brought directly to you, fully contextualized? Introducing DBTIPS, the Disease Biomarker and Target Insights Platform. DBTIPS helps you make sense of complex biology across diseases and targets, delivering a comprehensive, unified view. Our platform brings together and organizes critical information for you. Our agents systematically curate data from diverse sources to deliver a holistic dossier. DBTIPS enables effortless evidence navigation so you can make confident research and strategy decisions. Our curation process brings together the essential building blocks for discovery, connecting disease biology to targets, biomarkers, and therapies. DBTIPS moves beyond simple data aggregation to reveal the underlying biology. Our platform provides clear, evidence-backed connections that help you understand the full story of a gene or target. Our agentic AI framework transforms the curated data into an interactive discovery engine. This allows you to ask better questions, navigate evidence with AI assistance, and generate clear summaries. Stay ahead of the curve by tracking the complete clinical and competitive environment. DBTIPS helps you monitor drugs, trials, mechanisms, and pipelines across diseases, enabling you to make strategic decisions with clarity. True insight requires more than just biological data. DBTIPS provides curated context from the people on the front lines of research and care. Here is our list of agents for your diverse use cases. We provide specialized expertise for your area of research. Move beyond manual curation. Focus on what matters the most: discovery, validation, and strategy. Make your next strategy decision with confidence. Contact us for a quick demo or to discuss your specific needs. Thank you for watching.